In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Slack two-factor authentication problem. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check the basics, ensure that you have a stable internet connection, check mobile signal if using SMS code, and verify date and time zone. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and wait a few minutes and check again if you're not receiving the code. You can also try checking junk folder for email codes, or you could also ensure that your phone number is correctly entered. You can also click on resend the code from the login screen, and if it's still not received, then try another verification method if available. If your Authenticator application is not working, then you might need to close and reopen the app, or even check the date and time settings and set it to automatic. If nothing works, simply uninstall and reinstall the application. If it says invalid code error, make sure that you enter the 6-digit code within the time limit. Do not add spaces before or after the code, and use the latest code, and old codes won't work. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.